Every time you set up a block, you create a set of crop coefficients to go with that block. Now, when you make changes to the crop type, you will reset the crop coefficients. And if you ever have to go in and edit those, the way to do that would be blocks, list, and you come up with this drop down list of all the blocks that you have. The little red bar chart here where it says edit crop coefficients, click on that and it'll take you to the crop coefficient file for this block. And you will see the cultivar that we have selected. We have a stage, which is just a descriptive term, in this case months. And then we have dates broken into months. In this case, it doesn't have to be exact months. And note that the year is not important because we're reusing this every year. We're really just looking at the month and day. And we have crop coefficients based on a pan or a penman. And there is a little typo here. This is the KC. And when we're talking crop coefficients, these particular ones are based on ETO as grass reference. A refill line can be defined in kilopascals as in suction on a tensiometer or in a percentage depletion. In most cases, this is simpler to understand for people and we would use that. When you look at this one, you'll see that in the spring it is set up at a 40% depletion, then tapered up to 30, and then only 20 while we're sizing up the fruit all the way through the harvest, and then we'll drop it down going back into winter. Root growth is projected in 0.1 inch per day during these months. And all of the parameters we're looking at here are adjustable. If you make any adjustment here that's going to affect the calculated values, you need to tell it that you want to recalculate, save your changes that you've made, and then go back as far as where the change would take effect. For instance, if we made a change that would affect all of February, we need to start at least at the 1st of February. It's seldom necessary when you're working with crop coefficients to go back and recalculate everything. But if you do, remember that this will go back as far as your data set goes back. So in this particular case, it will take us back all the way to 2013. And that's not something we want to do right now.